Hi everyone, today in front of me I have HUAWEI Nova Y90 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the top 3 widgets for the home screen of this device. So first of all, make the shrink and swipe like I've just did in order for this additional home screen menu to be launched. Next, go for widget. As you can see at the bottom part of your display, there will be all the currently available widgets category. So the first widget that I would highly recommend on adding is a very convenient weather widget. So let's go ahead and find the weather category over here. Should be at the very start, I suppose. Yep, here it is. You'll want to tap on it, choose the design that you would like or that you like the most. I'll go with this one, for example. Tap on it, it will be added over here, or you can tap and hold and place it wherever you want it to be. From here you can also rotate it between the home screen, so it's not a big deal. All that you need to do for that is to tap and hold at the widget and move it wherever. I'll leave it right here. As you can see, this widget shows the time, the day of the week, the current date, and as well as a brief weather information. After we'll go ahead and activate the weather app, which we'll do just now. Set it up real quick, allow it the location access. As you can see, we'll go to the permissions. As you can see, the location access is already granted. So once we get back, it should update the location. Or here we gotta turn on the general system location access. And after that, once we get back to the app, it should start showing the weather data at the place for our stay. Alrighty, great success, and the widget shows it as well. Next, would like that you try adding the calendar widget, a very convenient tool to have. So 2 designs to choose from, small or full scale one. I'll go with the smaller version and place it at a separate home screen right here. So this very convenient widget makes sure that once anything important like reminders, events, holidays or celebrations is added to the calendar, it will be displayed right here at this very widget. Therefore, you will not forget about anything and you will not miss anything important, since each time you unlock your screen or each time you get yourself back to the home screen, you will be reminded with currently set important stuff. Alrighty, moving on to the third and last widget for this video, which is the speed dial widget, or it's actually more of a shortcut, but it's not really important, I think. So let's go ahead and open up the contacts category of widget. Add the speed dial shortcut. I'll actually add it to the main home screen, if you guys don't mind. I do not have any space left, that's fine. I'll choose this one then. And once you try to add it to the home screen, it is required that you choose the contact that you would like to speed dial. So I'll go with, let's say, this one, for example. Doesn't really matter. And once I get back to the home screen, I can see the shortcut has been successfully added and set up, and simply by simply tapping on it, I can initiate the call, just like so. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.